Chasing Lincoln's Killer, Chapter 12. Lieutenant Doherty unrolled his woolen army blanket and ordered his men to lay Booth's body upon it. With needle and thread provided by the Garretts, he sewed the blanket closed around the assassin's corpse. Soldiers heaved the corpse-like sack of corn onto the wagon that would bring the body to its first stop on the journey back to Washington. The body was transferred from the wagon to a rowboat, then to a steamboat, which would then take them north to Washington. Conger rode ahead of the body, rushing to be the first of the manhunters to tell Stanton that Booth had been found and killed. He also hoped to precede the rest of the cavalry and stake the first claim to the reward money. Conger and Baker laid out Booth's possessions on a table. Stanton picked up the diary, then the compass. The hunt was over. To be absolutely certain the body was Booth's, Stanton ordered an inquest and autopsy. A few people were allowed to see the corpse for purposes of identification. The cause of death was easily determined. A gunshot by a single bullet through the neck. Stanton had Booth's corpse photographed. News of Booth's death traveled across the nation by telegraph, and newspapers rushed to print stories filled with the details of the manhunt's climax at Garrett's farm. Reporters seeking a great story sought to uncover the final act of Booth's life, the disposal of the assassin's remains. Luther Baker refused to reveal the body's location. After staging a false burial at sea to throw the press off the trail, Booth's body was buried in a simple crate in an unmarked grave at the old Arsenal Penitentiary. His fellow conspirators would soon join him there.